B. Have you noticed that street conversations in Africa have their own special English? Every day, someone stops me and says, "My brother, please, I'm coming," even when they're going the opposite direction.
Oh, yes, that one is classic. I'm coming in Africa means I'll be right back. But in natural English, it means you're coming towards someone. No wonder foreigners get confused.
Exactly. Yesterday, as I was walking to the bus stop, a guy stopped me and said, "Please, where is this road going to?" I almost replied, "It's going to work like the rest of us."
You're wicked. But truly, the right way is where does this road lead? People abroad don't understand our version.
Right. And then he told me, "Thank you, God bless you real good." I love that one though. Very African.
Me too. But if you want the natural English version, you can say thank you so much. I appreciate it.
True. African English has a lot of flavor. But today, let's show people the natural English so they can use it anywhere, at home or abroad.
Exactly. Like yesterday, someone stopped me and said, "Help me call him." But the person he was talking about was far away.
Yes, instead of "help me call him," say "help me get his attention" or "can you call him over?"
While we're on it, here's another funny one. Shift for me. People abroad think you're trying to move their whole body.
Yes, the right one is "could you move a little?" or "can you slide over?"
Wait, look, someone is coming. I bet he's going to ask for directions.
Excuse me, good afternoon. I am looking for the market. It is just behind that building, Abby?
You see that? A bee? That's pure African seasoning.
Sure, the market is 2 streets down. Go straight and turn left at the big pharmacy. Okay, thank you. I'm coming.
Gently. Oh, in English, we say, "I'll be back soon," not "I'm coming."
Ah, okay. I'll be back soon. Thank you.
He tried. Let's keep going before another person stops us.
You know another one that makes me laugh? Carry me go.
Yes, foreigners think you want them to lift you. Say, "Can you take me there?" or "Can you give me a ride?"
Exactly. And don't forget, flash me. Only Africans understand that.
True. The natural English is, "Can you give me a missed call so I have your number?"
I once told an American friend about flashing, and he asked me, "Flash what? Lights?" I nearly fainted from laughing.
We should write a dictionary of African English one day.
We should. Another one. I am looking for your place. People abroad don't say that.
Yes, you should say, "I'm looking for your house," or "I'm looking for your shop."
Let me tell you a quick story. A tourist in Abuja asked me, "Why does everyone call me Oga?" I told him, "Relax, it means boss."
And he still probably didn't believe you.
He said, "But I'm not the boss of anything." I told him, "In Africa, everyone is Oga."
That's the truth. But the natural English version is sir or ma'am.
Yeah. Anyway, African street English is fun, but when you leave the continent, you need the natural English version so people understand you.
Exactly. It's not about losing culture, it's about communicating clearly anywhere you go.
Well said. Are we close to home?
Just one more street, and don't worry, I won't say we did reach.
Thank you. The natural English is "we're almost there."
All right then, let's keep walking before someone stops us again to ask for where this road is going to.
True. Let's run before another African English lesson finds us.
Deal. Let's go.
See you next time on Mr. English Corner.